Thanks also to our observers as they sat vigilantly through each of our jury rounds, making sure that processes and formats were followed. Your presence through all the grueling jury rounds is truly appreciated. Mr. Amit Asija, National Head, Business Development, Acme, India. Mr. Atul Arora, co-founder, Wiser Feed. Gentlemen, I'm sure you would also like to share your experiences. Please do switch on your video and unmute yourselves. Say a few words.
So Amit Bhai, Atul Bhai, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon and Happy New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year.
I was I don't have a lot of words to put in. Like, I was shocked. Firstly, uh, let me thank Mr. Anas Guglani and all World Auto Forum for having given me an opportunity to be a part of this uh, World of Auto Forum Awards scrutiny. I would call it. uh, I was zapped to see how, how in depth the research goes, and how deep the IIT Delhi management students have done the research, and how deep again the discussions get into when I am sure how much the discussions went into marathons. I was a part of one of the uh, award nominations, and I was seeing how deep they went in, and actually found out, so that there is no biased decision. So I thank uh, uh, Anuj ji personally and World Auto Forum for having given me this opportunity to meet such educated people who study so deep, and I also thank the jury to have given me a chance to be their observer. Thanks a lot, and thanks a lot, everyone.
Thanks a ton, Amit Bhai. Really appreciate your presence and all your effort and your contributions for making it so just and fair. In fact, towards the end, you pushed us to the edge to do additional research, and I couldn't have been more thankful to you for that. That's exactly what we look for.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Atul Bhai, you're there?
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, and wish you everyone a happy new year. So it was an absolute pleasure and my honor to be an observer for these awards, and by listening to all the knowledgeable jury members. So one of the selfish reason for me to probably be an observer is to get the immense learning from the whole process. So the process was an absolute wonderful this time, and every year. World Lotto Forum is raising the bar of the selection process and the jury rounds. So that is what the change which is happening. Uh, so that is what I can say about the process. And also second point which I want to say is that the jury, uh, the award functions, the award categories are also evolving with the changing auto industry. So like we see that auto industry is changing now. No longer it is about selling cars, just selling cars. The services are coming into picture, and that is how the categories of these awards are also evolving. And hence this time it was very interesting to see some new categories also. So that's the change which is happening. Uh, so immense research which is done uh, by IIT, and wonderful interaction with the in the jury rounds. So all the best to uh, all the participants, and congratulations to everyone.
Thanks a ton, Atul Bhai. Really appreciate your efforts. It's not easy. Friends, let me tell you, it's not easy at all. If you are an observer and, you have to give your inputs amidst such learned, experienced jury members, you have to, weigh each and every word of yours that, it should be perfect, it should be fine. Nobody should take it in some other sense. At the end of the day, we are all human. So it's not easy. Jury's role is really tough, but observer's role is, not that easy at the same time. It's no less tough. So really appreciate Atul Bhai and Amit Bhai for all your inputs.